Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. So children, in this video, we are going to learn the difference between the sound A and E. So children, you all have to repeat all the sounds and action with me. We are going to learn the difference between the sound A and E. The sound of A is A and sound of E is E. So children, now we will compare both the sounds. So you all have to repeat after me. A, E, A, E, A, E. So now children, we will see some examples and learn the difference. M, A, T, mat. M, E, T, met. P, A, N, pan. P, E, N, pen.